How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Bicep just.
And use the same.
This track came out nearly 10 years ago and it still absolutely slaps. Bicep are one of the most innovative duos to come out of the UK. Today I'm going to be breaking down how they made the iconic sounds of their track Just. It's a very sustained bass, so you've got this D which goes for almost a full 4-bar section, and we drop down to C, down to A sharp, and then back up to C. And C, as I always say in my videos, both C and A are really great points to finish your bass line on. It just makes it feel complete and it rounds off well, leading back onto that first note. When it comes to the sound, I've used Serum. They're famously known for using the Juno 60, so of course I found the Juno wavetable. This is the Juno square, and we've also got a sub, which is a sine, and then all we're doing with the filter is cutting off anything above 491 Hertz, so it's really just a solid sub bass. In terms of effects, there are literally none required. Now we've worked out the simple bass, let's move on to the lead.
And use the same.
This is by far the most iconic part of the track and really takes you out of your head and into the song. I've of course recreated the sound in Serum. This is actually a preset for my UK Garage Volume 4 pack. You can get that from the link in the description. The bass is also a preset from that same pack. If you want to be making sick UK Garage like Over Mono, Bicep, Ross and Friends, then this pack is essential. It's on sale now, so get it while you can. What we have is 2 triangle waves. On their own, they would sound really boring, but what we've got is some AM synthesis. You drag that up to 100. We've also got a really tight envelope here, as you can see. Not much decay, a little bit of sustain, and a small bit of release. We've also got a huge amount of distortion. Without it, with it, small bit of chorus. So if we look at the external effects, we've got this EQ8 with a dip at 1000 Hertz. This is just taking out some of the harsh frequencies. We've then got a clean boost. So this again is acting as a distortion unit, and this also helps to grit up the sound. After that, we've got this vintage reverb. You could also just use the Ableton stock reverb. It doesn't really matter. I just like how this one looks. And lastly, we've got this auto filter, which at the start of the track is bringing in the sound. So it comes from sort of a muted, distant sort of sound. So it sounds like it's coming from the background of the song before it slowly climbs in, and it's in the center stage. As I said, if you want to download this, you can get it from my UK Garage Volume 4 pack. So yeah, if we look at the scale, they've used quite a lot of notes to make that melody. So in total, they've used 6. And you can also see they've sort of chopped up the rhythm as well with this little roll here especially. But that only sort of works if you've got this legato, so it sort of glides a little bit. Let's lastly look at the pad. Again, this is a preset for my UK Garage Volume 4 pack, and it's the Just preset. So what we've got is 2 saw waves, and one's got high unison, so 5, the other's got 2. This sort of helps to make it more stereo. Without it, it's gonna sound like shit. So we want it nice and thick. And we've also got this macro controlling the cutter filter, which is slowly rising throughout. As you can hear, as the song goes on, the pad's opening up, letting in more higher frequencies and creates more tension.
And use the same.
If we have a look at the effects, we've got a flanger, a chorus, so these are all sort of making it wider and more interesting. And of course, we've got a nice reverb with a long decay of 4.7 seconds. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment down below if you found this video helpful. I will see you next time.